guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you all business updates and unboxing just a little bit of new inventory. I got not a lot, not lashes at all, but you'll see what it is in a little bit. But let me go ahead and introduce myself. I am Brittany Rivers, the owner of Casino Lashes. So make sure to check us out on Instagram. Our website is www.casinolashes.com. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe, please. I'm so close to 10K. Oh, I'm still holding that. I'm so close to 10K and I'm so excited. Please subscribe, you guys. Tell your friends to subscribe and let's get into this video. So, I've been recording a few videos and I've been telling you, oh, I'm going to update you all on what happened with this. But I usually update in the comments, but I know everyone doesn't always get a chance to check the comments or they forget and do something else, because that's what I would do. But, so my first video I talked about updating you guys was, so I had a huge order. This person ordered 15 pairs of lashes. The order cost over $100. And it got to the customer like with half of the lashes gone, missing no business cards, no flyers. It was taped up. It was nothing. It was terrible, you guys, like a disaster. And it was over $100, so I was pretty upset. But with USPS, you get like insurance up to $100 on like priority and stuff. And because she got a few lashes, it didn't cost over $100. So insurance, it will all be covered by insurance, right? So I filed the claim on my YouTube and everything. Y'all saw that. Next day, I ended up sending the girl the missing lashes because I just felt like it wasn't right at all. I didn't want to make her wait to get the insurance money because I didn't know how long it would take. I know if that happened to me, I would want my stuff immediately. So I just sent the girl the missing lashes. So maybe like a week later, almost less than a week, like no more than a week, you guys, I got a check from USPS for the money. Like the website said it would take 3 to 4 weeks, but it only took 1 week, you guys. So I was like, whew. And I was expecting them to like message me asking for extra documents, which they said they may do, or whatever. Or it being like even longer, because with the pandemic, I was expecting it to be like take them way longer. But it only took a week. I got the check. The only problem with the check, well, hold on, let me say this. Wait, so she had like $40-something worth of inventory that actually came to her and 66 that didn't come. So I screenshot the pictures of my shop as like proof to USPS of what the item costs. And they sent me the $66. And then I added it up. So on the thing, I told them it was worth $66. Then I added it up later after I submitted the insurance claim. And I saw that it was worth $63, $63.50. So, but okay, they did give me, they just gave me it for $66, which is really what it's worth because I had to pay for shipping again to the girl. So it makes sense for me to get a little extra, right? But, yeah, I got my check. The check was actually, what's it called? Addressed to Casino Lashes. And the problem with that is, so I'm going to have to get a business bank account, but I actually have I have a normal bank account only for that money, and it's not exactly a business one right now. So it's just an account with that money in it that I only spend on business stuff. So, but it's under Brittany and not Casino Lashes, but I'm the owner of Casino Lashes, the only owner of Casino Lashes, so it was okay for me to cash it. So that's something you may want to look out for when you get like checks for your business and insurance and stuff. You want to see if it's your name versus your business name. Okay, so what I did was sign the back of the check and kind of authorized me to deposit the check. So all I did was there's a specific word for it, but I forgot what that word was. So that's what you may have to do in case you get a check for your business. So it's okay if you do. So don't be scared. And I also was able to deposit it from home by taking a picture of the front and back through my banking app. So it's not like I had to go anywhere for that. So that was cool. So that's with that, you guys. That's that. So what else was I gonna update you all on? I hope I'm not getting this messed up, but the next thing I want to update you all on was that high-risk order I got. So I got a high-risk order. It was worth $44, and Shopify alerted me that it's likely a scam or it's fraud likely. So what I did was just cancel the order. Like I just didn't even worry about it. Just cancel it. Don't get that money. It's okay. And after that, I got another high-risk order. I just canceled that one too. So all high-risk orders will just be canceled in my shop. And that's just how I'm going to deal with that. So now I guess we can get to this stuff, the fun stuff. I think that is all I wanted to update you all on. I hope I'm not messing up or like forgetting something. So I'm actually trying a new vendor. So I will have a new lash haul soon with a new vendor. And I think I'm probably in love with these lashes. Like lately I just have been kind of with my lashes. Like I'm not like in love with any style. Like I really like the faux mink one. Someone corrected me and told me I was saying it wrong, so thank you, because I've been saying it wrong for years. But oh, the other thing I wanted to update you all on. So at first, and I talked about in my quad pay video, I didn't have an EIN. You can get a free EIN from the IRS website. So you can go there and get the free EIN. Some like websites. So the website I got my LLC from was trying to charge me $70 for EIN too. So don't sign up for that if when you're getting your LLC and stuff. Don't sign up for the EIN from them. Go to the IRS website separately and do that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to. So we're opening this package. Ooh, thumbnail. Okay. I saw somebody do that in their video, but usually I take my thumbnails, but I don't say it, like, you know. Okay, so they wrap these up really well, really well. So where are my scissors? I asked my vendor for extra little plastic thingies. I really need more than this, actually, but they gave me a couple of them, just a couple. But yeah, I've been out of those. Okay, we almost have it open. These are just boxes, right? Boxes, they're kind of plain, but it just like is a Casino Lashes little sticker on there. Just little boxes. You all might have seen these recently, but here are like little eyeliner glues. So they literally, so you would literally just put this on your eye and it should glue your lash down and it looks like an eyeliner. So I'm actually gonna have to try one out because I can't just sell this and not try it, right? I'm gonna try it on camera. I'm gonna record this video for Casino Lashes too. Let me see a pair of lashes that doesn't have any glue on them already so we can get the real effect. So here's the lash, and here's the little glue pen. So here's how it looks, like that, a little tip like an eyeliner. So I've seen people just like put it on their hand like this. So that's the supposed to be, oops, the little glue line. And this should stick. They say you don't even have to wait. So I burnt myself with my wand curler. So I feel like this pair of lashes are slightly already sticky because I've worn them before. So let me try with a pair that I haven't worn at all. So these. Okay. Oh, let me show you the other product I have. So I also got these tweezers. So, on my Shopify store, I've been seeing that a lot of people are searching for tweezers. Like, I don't use tweezers when I put on lashes, but some people do. So I just got these gold ones, and I didn't put my logo on them or anything, but so on Shopify, they give you like little statistics, like what people search for. So if you aren't with Shopify, use my Shopify affiliate link. I'll put it in the description box and all of that. So yeah, I just got these little tweezers. They are really pretty. So this is a lash I haven't used before. I bent it a little bit. It's completely clean, you guys. So we're gonna try that. Putting this thing on here. Go ahead and try to stick this sucker on here. Yeah, and it's on, you guys. Okay. Oh, hold on now. After you wait a little while, it is really hard to take off, child. Yeah, you just have to wait. Well, it's not like wet at all. It's just more so, it's like a liquid liner. So yeah, it does have stickiness to it. But I'm really excited about this. So I'm gonna put it in these cute little boxes. Let me go ahead and put that. Well, I don't want to mix it up. But yeah, these are just normal little boxes. Got the little casino lashes. I wish this was a slightly bigger, but it won't look that bad when I fold it. I like that these aren't just plain gold boxes. They are like they have texture to them. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to make a video for my Casino Lashes Instagram showing this stuff and everything. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will be back soon with an inventory haul and all of that. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.